we are here to prepare our spiced soy bar. So first, we are in need of the ingredients like, of course, our star, soybeans. And then we have here our chickpea, onion, and then garlic. And also we have our flour and different spices for the flavorings. Grind the soybean and the chickpea. Iga-grind lang natin siya hanggang makuha natin yung ating desired texture. We also have to grind our chickpea para the same lang yung texture nila. If we already got the texture of the both, soybean and chickpea, we're just going to mix them. We're going to add our onion and our garlic. So make sure that the onions and our garlic are minced. Mix in our flour and different spices. After mixing, kailangan i-flat natin siya. And after cutting, ilalagay natin siya sa ating refrigerator para ma-develop yung kanyang mga shapes. Make sure natin na naka-low ang ating fire and make sure natin na mainit na ang ating mantika before natin ilagay ang ating spiced soy bars. So the frying will last for about 10 to 15 minutes. Antayin lang natin maluto ang ating spiced soy bar until maging siyang golden brown. Ito na ang ating finished product, ang ating spiced soy bar. Tayong mga Pilipino, mahilig tayo sa mga sausawan. So best partner para sa ating mga taste buds ang suka.